And I'm talking about some wet weather. If you've looked outside, most of you have probably already seen at least a few sprinkles, definitely some precipitation starting to move in. You can see it on radar. I mentioned it earlier, but in case you're just joining us, the Wakefield radar from the National Weather Service is back in operation, and just in time. We've had some of that light precipitation. Watch how things fill in all of a sudden, because finally we're able to pick it up a little bit better here in the immediate area. So a couple of pockets of some moderate rain out there, other areas it's still a little bit lighter, and not everyone is seeing it just yet, but most of us are. Scattered to even occasional showers continuing this evening. Quite chilly, temperatures dropping to 43 degrees, winds light, fairly light out of the southeast. Current temperatures, look at all these 40s. It looks like everybody's in the 40s, at least on the first page. And on this second page, same thing. Ranges from around 41 up to about 46 is the highest I see there. Those are all down, but down very minimally in most cases, at least near the water. Once you get back inland, that's more than minimal. That's 5-6 degrees in a lot of locations. Notice the precipitation then getting steadier, heavier as we go later this evening into the overnight. And then by morning, there's the low right smack dab over Mob Jack Bay, and as a result, most of the rain has been out ahead of this system, so we're expecting all of that heavier stuff to be gone. Maybe a stray shower or sprinkle or something in the morning, but for the most part, we're going to have to wait for another weaker disturbance to come in later in the day, but that one should be tending to fall apart, so we'll look for a few isolated showers. We'll say roughly a quarter of you, 25%. We'll see something tomorrow. Temperatures still a little bit below normal, and it will be windy as that storm really strengthens offshore. Luckily, this one doesn't sit there for a while. It moves to the northeast. A couple days from now, one sits out there again for several days. We'll talk about that. Getting into Thursday afternoon, then temperatures in the mid-40s. Tides at Sewell's Point got right up to the edge of the nuisance category, almost made it into minor. 2 more inches, it would have been minor flooding right around the lunch hour today. Well, we are expecting the very lowest edge of the minor flooding category tonight, just after midnight, and then gradually going down after that. So still a little bit of an issue with the high tides. Here comes that rain sweeping in from the south. So 40 tonight, occasional showers, breezy, cold tomorrow, 54, windy and milder. A few isolated showers either very early or then again sort of mid-afternoon as that system swings through. Tomorrow night, 37, partly cloudy, blustery and cold. 7-day forecast, 51 on Thursday. Friday, not a bad day, a little breezy, 54. 54 Saturday with a 20% risk of a shower, especially to the north. And then by Sunday, some rain, and that ends as a possible mix early on Monday, especially for inland areas.